No, because I thought that Matthew would have brought some pliers.
I thought all we need is a socket set.
It's actually...
The nuts turning.
Yeah, this is not going to be
Good. Have you seen my pockets? They're full of bolts. In the newspaper. Very good bad today.
Girlfriend videoed it.
Right. Oh yes!
Oh, there we go. That was a good Christmas present.
I even done the cameraman's job.
Right.
Good job.
Hello, Alan. Eagle Booster's back.
Oh yes.
Doing a good job there, Dylan.
That should be straight across there, just on its two hangers.
So that's, we don't have any.
And then a 19 mil.
Seal.
You shouldn't need it if it's a good fit. Right, I'm right. That must be that one.
Oh, Dylan, your alarm's going off.
That's not quite like it.
Good. Move it.
Pushed in all the way on that.
Right.
Is that roughly where it wants to be?
A bit more in.
I can't go any further.
Let's go to
I
I don't know if you can see it up there, that's where we're going to. And that's where we're from. Made an impact, I think.
Use your head.
Use head as momentum.
That's definitely going in.
That's it, it's coming off. Or it's wiggling.
Good stuff. Start again, like.
It is.
Yeah.
10. Get the small one.
That should be fine. We'll need a small one from the back actually.
It's the angle.
That's some angle.
I don't like pulling down on a car, like.
That'll be okay, I'll hold it up for you.
If you can you pass me that breaker bar, I'll be able to jam it under the bottom of his subframe and I think if I can get it,
that'll
do you know what I mean?
There she goes. Oh yes.
So Matthew's currently on with taking the third bull out of the car and I've
Fourth
just
bull?
fourth bull. No, third. You haven't took the top one out.
The other one's all out though.
I've just took the O2 sensor out that little.
Sorry.
Hey,
They just hold it. Right. It's gonna
this
be
is a
So the good thing and the worst thing, you know that bracket there?
I think it'll be hard to get it up with that on.
These are the new nuts and bolts for the bracket.
But no, they're not.
Back your way because you're on the studs. Right. To the front of the car. Right. Right.
That'll do for now.
Yeah. Do you want to drop the car down and put it on the top?
Well, I don't have to jump down anytime soon.
Is it locked?
yeah,
With cat?
yeah.
I'll not do that again.
I need
Nearly
that,
tight.
I need that ratchet once you're done with it. Mate.
What size ratchet?
The one that Matthew's got.
Oh.
Have you?
Back pedal it a bit, mate.
holding up the whole job.
I know.
Then we need to make sure there's no fucking leaks. Oh god.
Oh, forget that.
Where's the soapy water on the
Not loose. Could have went up 5 mil.
These cabins
Yeah.
just any time.
This is on the locks and things.
Yeah.
Right?
Hungry.
Just rounded that last one.
We'll do a loop.
Yeah.
Yeah, you sound.
We've got the burger king. Look at Matthew's double patty.
This
is meant-
double patty burger.
This is meant to be 400 calories, by the way. I paid £9 for this.
You see, you need to
Some
subscribe to this iconic channel so we can afford to eat while we work.
Are you happy with the top?
I'm ready with the top. Sounds alright.
Victory Burger King.
It doesn't drone, which I thought it would, but well, it doesn't drone in eco. It drones a lot when it's in sport mode or N mode, whatever it's called.
The chicken nuggets are rubbish though. The chicken nuggets are okay, the burger's rubbish though. The car's good. Not burger.
Not the bad. All right, you ready? Yeah.